Veda's Fun Kids Hobbies. Today I am going to show you how to make a floral paper wall hanging. So let's start. Let's start making a paper flower wall hanging. So first we need sheets. We need 4 sheets like this to make a rose. Now I'm going to use this one sheet and fold it. Fold it 3 times. After we fold, we'll take the folded side, this corner which we folded, and now we will cut it. So after this, we will open it, and we got something like this. So we must make 4 of such things. We must do this all the 4. So I did 4. So we'll take one and we'll cut one petal out of it. Don't discard this. Now take the second one, cut 2 petals out of it. Keep it aside. Take the third one, cut 3 petals out of it. And take the fourth one, cut 4 petals out of it. You can discard one of these. So take the largest one first, and then take a glue, put it on the edge, and then we'll stick it to make a rose. Then we'll take the next one, do the same with all the things. Now take the largest one, and this will be our base. We'll put one drop of glue at the center, and then stick the next. Like this we'll stick everything. Now there we have a rose. Now we need to make a rose. Now this is not a rose exactly. This is a type of flower. So one should be of 10 cm diameter, 9 cm, 8 cm and 7 cm. So we'll take the largest one. We'll start folding it. So this time we'll put a 4th fold also, but we will make it 3 because it's difficult to cut 4 folds. Then we need to put the petals and cut it. There. Now we must do this to all the 4. So now I have 4 things like this. So take the largest one in this, put a drop of glue in the center, then take the next one, put on we have the center of the flower. Our flower is ready. Now we need to make a cardboard roll like this. This is 63 cm in length and this is 4 cm in width. So this we'll keep it aside, and then we will work on the strings. So we need 12 strings. So this is for making the hangings which will hang on that loop. So to decorate these strings, I need to make a thing. So we'll take some wool, spin it around in your 3 fingers. So after you have enough in your hand, we will cut the end we'll remove this from the finger, turn it, put this knot it around, then we'll cut its end. Now we'll cut another piece of string. Take this thing, we'll make a small bulb and tie the string around. So we'll then level the string by cutting its ends. So we'll put this thing on the end of every single string like this. See? Like this. So we have 12 things, so we must make 12 such things. So there. Now the second thing of a part of the decoration is making a paper flower on the ends. So we will first cut a paper into a square, fold it just like how we did for the rose. We'll fold it, we cut it, we will open it, we'll have a flower now. Now we'll cut we'll cut like this, don't cut any of its petals. Put glue on one whole petal and stick it on it. We'll make a fold. Then we'll fold it and make a small hole. Because this is paper, you can adjust the hole size. So now we will take one string, tie a knot, it's better if you tie a double knot so that the flowers don't fall onto the pom-pom. It's a bit tough to get the knot onto the first knot. So there. You can even give it a third knot. So there. It's a triple knot. And then we will take the flower. Now from the inside you must do it. Let's take a do it from the outside. We'll put this on the end. So there, our work is done. It has a flower. Third job is to put beads. So we will take a string and we will start putting beads. So I am going to put few beads in the ends of the flower. Put it through the hole and put it on the end. Now I'm going to take a few other beads also. Put it through the end. It's a smaller bead, that's why I'm putting 3 together. My technique of putting beads. Now if you want, you can put a knot. It doesn't matter because you're hanging. But when you're starting to put beads, to put it on a gap, you must put a knot. That's a must, or else the beads will fall into the same location. So I'm going to put a bigger bead. I'm going to tie this more, so it's going to stretch. So there. Now take this big bead. I'm going to take this. So here we have this hanging ready. So we must do this to all the 12 hangings. Now I have made 12 hangings like this. Now we must take out this thing, this round, and then take some wool. We'll cut it into certain length. So it's your wish how much ever length you want, you can cut. I'm taking a bit of this boards. There I have taken all the three ropes, and then we'll start tying. We'll take one and then tie on a random spot. There. Now we'll take the second one and put it on this place. Just like how you make the circle 1 by 3. The places where you the borders of those 1 by 3 parts is where you will have to put this. So there we have. Now we will have to take all the 3 threads. So just correct it. Yeah. There we will have to take all the 3 threads, put it into a certain length. Tie a knot over there. And then put a slip knot. A very tight knot. Yeah, there. So like this. This is for hanging the string. So there. So oh my. For hanging. So let's keep this aside. Now what we have to do is we'll take one string, tie it in a random spot now. You must keep these strings in a ascending order, and take the smallest string and put it in a 5 cm gap between the next strings. So I'll do it and come. Now I have tied all the strings to the circle. Now what we must do is we need some green sheet. We'll keep this aside. This we'll fold it and we'll cut this. Then we will again fold this and then we will take a pencil. We will make a spiral. We'll make a leaf and cut it. So there. So here we have the leaf. Now you can cut this. We don't need such a thing. There we have a leaf. We need such leaves. So we fold this. There we have leaves. Now we'll keep this aside. We'll take the circle and then we'll take glue. We'll keep this all aside and then one by one we'll start sticking these flowers. So I'll stick the flowers and come. So after sticking the flowers, it should look something like this. So we have one last thing to do. So we'll set this aside. Take one string. Put some glue on the string like this. And we will start sticking gems. So I will come after sticking these. So we have finished sticking our gems to give it a shining look. Hope you enjoyed my video. If you like it, give it a big thumbs up. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And see you next time. Bye bye.